triplex villas at Kollur, APR Projects.
సో అంకిత గారు, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ మైండ్ కెన్ ఐ ఆస్క్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్? నేను ఒక 2 months బ్యాక్ నవదీప్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చూశాను. ఆ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు యాంకర్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లం విత్ అంకిత? ఏంటి మీకు ఎందుకు ప్రాబ్లం, మీ ఇద్దరికి గొడవ అయిందంట కదా అని చెప్పేసి. ఏంటి నవదీప్తో మీకు గొడవ ఏంటి అసలుకి?
First tell me what was his response. I don't know this. What he answered.
He said, you don't have any problem with me.
Yeah.
Just you are having problem with your producer.
At that time, yeah, there was some confusion.
Yeah.
But we cleared it. Yeah, we cleared it. There was a problem with the producer, some flight delay, something, some dates clash with two projects with London, Tamil movie London.
Okay.
Our dates was clashing with the Manusmata Hindu project, so there was some problem with the producer, and I was very stressed.
Okay.
That's it.
So ఆ కోపం నవదీప్ మీద చూపించారా సెట్ లో?
Nothing like that. It was all. He was also a little bit stressed. I was also a little bit stressed. It's very natural. We are, human beings, right? So we were both a little bit stressed, but we cleared it.
Cleared. అతను
Hmm.
మిమ్మల్ని ఎక్కడ హెరాస్ చేయటం కానీ? నో.
It's all good. It's all good.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో నౌ యూ బోత్ ఆర్ గుడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
We've not lost touch, but after that incident tarvata we got in contact with each other and we cleared the matter.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
బట్ అంటే ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ తర్వాత ఒకటి వచ్చింది ఇండస్ట్రీలో రూమర్ అనుకున్నాను నేను కూడా, నవదీప్ ఇష్యూ వల్ల అంకిత గారికి ఆఫర్స్ రాలేదు అనేది.
No,
Is
not
it
like
correct,
that.
ma'am?
I was already deciding to move to US by that
Okay.
time because I had a lot of hopes on Vijayendra Verma, which was not a big success.
యా.
My future was banking on the success of Vijayendra Verma. That we all know that Balkrishna sir's career, that is not a big one of his biggest successes.
ఓకే.
So that time I knew that
మేబీ అది సక్సెస్ అయ్యి ఉంటే ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉండేవాళ్ళు.
yes, that is the adi
ఓకే.
ante.
ఇంకా సక్సెస్ లేదని బ్యాక్ టు.
Yeah, Balkrishna sir project, I would have been there.
ఓకే.
It was all like the industry, they judge that the success graph of
Yeah,
the
definitely.
artist. So it's all that depends on that. It's like a market, right?
ఓ.
They will judge the success graph of the heroines and heroes kuda.
యా.
They'll judge that, and like it's an investment for so many people. So